the National Association of Nigerian Students, NANS, as the umbrella body of all Nigerian students both home and abroad, recognize the growing menace of drug abuse and substance dependence within our campuses and student community. This disturbing trend has become a major threat to academic excellence, moral integrity, and future of our youth population, the very hope of our nation. Drug abuse among students is no longer an isolated concern. It has evolved into a public health crisis, affecting learning, safety, and the national productivity. The rise in the consumption of substances such as marijuana, tramadol, codeine, and methamphetamine, popularly known as ICE, among students call for urgent collective action. The effects of drug abuse. The consequences of drug abuse among students are multidimensional, affecting academic, psychological, social, and national spheres. Some of these include academic decline, health and psychological issues, campus violence and insecurity, loss of value and discipline, national impacts. The academic decline, substance abuse, impaired concentration, memory, and motivation, leading to poor performance, dropout, and wastage of educational opportunities. Health and psychological issues. Drug dependency results in physical deterioration, depression, anxiety, and in many cases, mental breakdown. And lose of value and discipline. The culture of respect, decency, and responsibility which define studentship is being eroded by this influence of drugs. National impact. The future workforce of the nation is at risk as drug abuse undermines productivity, innovation, and civic responsibility. The need for drug-free campus and student community. In view of the above, NANS firmly assert that the battle against drug abuse must begin from our campuses. A drug-free academic environment is essential for effective learning, safety, and character formation. University, Polytechnic, and College of Education must become center of moral upright, intellectual growth, and national information. To achieve these, all stakeholders, including government agencies, school authorities, student union, NDLA, and civil society organizations must unite to drive a drug-free campus initiative, this FCI, across all tertiary institutions in Nigeria. Our recommendation as National Association of Nigerian Students, NANS. In pursuit of this national imperative, the National Association of Nigerian Students, NANS, hereby make this following recommendation. Mandatory drug tests at every entry and exit point. All newly admitted students should undergo compulsory drug testing as part of the admission clearance process. Similarly, every graduate student must undergo drug tests before final clearance to ensure that they leave the institution clean and responsible. These measures authorized by the NDLA and health unit of institution will serve as a preventive and corrective approach to drug control. Number two, establishment of the functional campus drug-free club. Then we also have incorporation of drug education into orientation program. Drug abuse sensitization should form a compulsory component of student orientation and general student course across campus. Then the fourth one, counseling and rehabilitation support. Students identified with substance use should be referred to rehabilitation and counseling, not stigmatized, ensuring reintegration into academic life. Partnership with NDLA and health authority. NANS call for sustained collaboration with NDLA, Ministry of Education, and tertiary institutions to intensify periodic campaign, seminar, and testing exercise. And in conclusion, drug abuse among students poses a clear and present danger of Nigerian educational development. National stability. NANS, as a responsible and progressive student movement, reaffirm its total commitment to drug-free campuses and drug-free student community. We call on all Nigerian students to take personal responsibility for their health, discipline, and future. The dream of a prosperous Nigerian begins with a generation of mentally sound, moral, upright, and drug-free students. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and God bless NANS.
Always fight for and every better. Ever conscious Nigeria student. He wants to young. He wants to gaga. He wants to double. He wants